Hi, second graders. Today's math lesson will be a fractions review. Today's lesson objective: children will evaluate and compare equivalent fractions. Vocabulary for today's lesson: equivalent, whole, half, and quarter. For today's mental math and fluency, you're going to compare the numbers using the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. Ready? Begin. 123 is equal to 123. 234 is less than 334. 456 is less than 457. Let's try some more. Begin. 989 is greater than 971. 445 is less than 454. And 877 is greater than 788. Let's try the last one. Begin. 1054 is less than 1154. 1243 is greater than 1233. 1522 is less than 1622. Great job! What are fractions? Fractions are part of a whole. Here's a whole pepperoni pizza. That's equal to 1. Half is 1 out of 2 pieces, and a quarter is 1 out of 4 pieces. Fractions are made up of a numerator and a denominator. The numerator is the number above the line of the fraction. It tells you how many pieces we have. In this fraction, we have 3 pieces. The denominator is the number below the line of the fraction. It tells us how many pieces there are all together. In this fraction, there are 4 total pieces. Today's math message: draw a pizza on your blank sheet of paper. Your pizza can be a circle or a rectangle. Don't put any toppings on your pizza yet. Just crust and sauce so far. Please pause the video. Now, put cheese on your whole pizza. Cheese should be orange or yellow, if you have those colors at home. Next, put pepperoni on 1/2 or 1 out of 2 of the pieces of your pizza. The pepperoni should be red circles, if you have that at home. Next, put peppers, should be green, on a quarter or 1 out of 4 pieces of your pizza. And finally, put mushrooms, you can make them brown, on a quarter or 1 out of 4 pieces of your pizza. Does your pizza look like this? I have cheese covering my whole pizza. I have pepperoni on half of my pizza. I have peppers on 1/4 of my pizza, and I have mushrooms on 1/4 of my pizza. Great job! Numerator and denominator practice. Write the fraction on your paper. Circle the numerator and put an X on the denominator. Please pause the video if you need extra time. The numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4. Let's try the next one. Write the fraction. Circle the numerator and put an X on the denominator. The numerator is 7 and the denominator is 8. Let's try the next one. Write the fraction. Circle the numerator and put an X on the denominator. Go ahead. The numerator is 5 and the denominator is 6. Great job. Introduction to equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are fractions with different numerators and denominators that represent the same part of the whole. Take a look at these two fractions. 2/3 is equal to 4/6. The blue shaded in area is the same size on 2/3 as it would be on 4/6. This means they are equivalent fractions. Equivalent means equal. Today you're going to practice by playing the equivalent fractions game on Everyday Math. You're going to click the Challenge tab and then click Equivalent Fractions. The skill you'll be practicing, you're using models to recognize and match equivalent fractions. Game description. Earn points by using models to match equivalent fractions, including halves, thirds, fourths, also known as quarters, fifths, sixths, and eighths. The game is over when all cards are matched or no more matches can be made. Great job today!